Hello designers. So today we're going to learn about masks. It's a very important tool that you're going to see yourself using a lot, especially when you erase things and then you're like, whoops, I want that back, and you can't because you kind of changed the image. So let's go to layers and click on the log so we can make this a regular layer. And now let's click on mask right here. So now you have a mask for this layer and it's white, meaning that everything is showing. So choose the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard and make sure that you have white on your foreground. So click on the image and you're going to see that nothing happens because white brings everything back. So toggle to black and you're going to see that you start erasing. But the actual image is not destroyed. You're erasing the mask. So if you want things back, you just toggle back to white and you paint it back. See? There we go. Perfect. So now we're gonna do something a little cooler. So I want to change the background here. So let's go to channels and let's see the channel blue. Let's copy the blue and bring the contrast up. So what we want to do is make the plants as black as possible and the white as possible so we can get that nice contrast. All right, there we go, and okay. So press Control and click, select inverse. So now the black is selected, which is what we want. We want to keep the flowers. So go back to the layers. Let's get rid of this mask and apply this mask. There we go. Cool. You're going to see that we kind of got this gray residue that we don't really want. So let's click on the mask and choose our brush tool. And make sure this is black. Press X to toggle. And we can get rid of this grayish area we don't want. There we go. All right. That's cool. So what you can also do is when you really don't care about, changing the image because you're never going to want this back, you can click on the layer and we can choose the wand tool and just press and delete what we don't want to make it faster. You can boost the tolerance to maybe 50. There we go. Computer's making noise. Let's boost it to, hey, my number's locked. There we go. There we go. All right, that's too much. All right. Same thing here. And here. See, when it spreads like that, two parts that we want, the tolerance is too high. So let's put 20. And there we go. Delete and delete and delete. And there we go. So let's click back on the mask, press B and back to white, and let's bring everything we want back. everything you see that's transparent, you want back in the image. Pretty nice. Cool. So now I want the background to be this purple, maybe. It looks kind of cool. And I want maybe a drop shadow. In the flowers. There we go. So that's cool. A little bit more distance. All right. And like that. Okay. So now we can see all our imperfections. So let's try to fix that. Go back to the mask. Choose the brush so we can bring back what we want. There we go. Make the brush smaller with the parentheses in the keyboard. Toggle to black to erase. There we go. All right. That's looking pretty good. So that's the basic of a mask. And I want you to practice, make a design, and watch my other video, the letter portrait, so that you can be a little more proficient in the mask. So see you next time. Thank you. Bye.